In my early 30s, I actually started seeing my hair decrease, and as the years rolled on, I saw my hair starting to retreat backwards and just got to the point I thought, hang on, I need to do something about this. Basically, what I did was I actually started doing some research, and then whilst I was doing some research, I also got chatting to a friend. I actually didn't even realise my friend had it done.
Our technique is the most advanced technique in hair restoration to date. We're able to achieve 100% natural results without having any harm caused to your scalp, and able to achieve the highest possible density in hair restoration.
I've watched vast amounts of videos online and I've done my research, and that's the thing, what shocked me was the fact that it's actually, when you look at it, actually quite a simple technique.
What you're after at the end of the day is to have a nice head of hair that doesn't look like you've had a hair transplant.
I want to get back to the point where I can have the haircut I want and not the haircut I need to have. You know, getting up in the morning and getting ready, I'm spending more and more time having to try and hide the fact that my hair doesn't look how I want it to look. And I want to be able to get up and actually just have the hairstyle I want to have and just feel more confident with that. So yeah, it's very important.
We have to make sure we're the best of the best. There's no comparison when it comes to DHI compared to other techniques. Our services are second to none as well. We've got clinics around that might have two or 3 years of experience. DHI have over 45 of research, innovation and development. The demand has significantly increased, more word of mouth, more notification in the press as well, celebrities, that sort of thing. So there's a much higher demand, not only here in Glasgow but also through in Edinburgh, where we'll set up a consultation office, so clients from all over central Scotland can actually have easy access to visit in one of our sites.
Basically, DHI has always been the pioneer. Every technique that has been, it has been created by DHI and evolved by DHI. We are around 5 or even 10 years ahead of our competitors. Okay, so I'm gonna start implanting from the dots here to blend it nicely with your existing hairs. Move it towards the front. This is the design of the hairline. We always maintain this angle like this.
Yes.
This is typical of the male hairline.
Yes.
We follow protocols for the entire procedure, from the moment the patient will walk in for a consultation until the last follow-up a year or a year after the session, where he will have his final result.
Just removing individual hairs from one area and replacing them into another. And that's it. Literally from one, they're not taking any big sections of skin or anything gruesome like that. Literally individual hairs, you know, and replacing them into an area that you need them. Yeah, it's pretty amazing actually. Basically, we use the implanter, so there I have an excellent collaboration with my nurse, with the assistant. So we load the grafts that we extracted into the implanter, and I use it to place them by controlling angle, direction and depth, giving an excellent result. No, I don't. Okay, I'm good.
The hair that we implant are permanent, they never fall off. It's not only their appearance that is changed, but also the way they feel and their social life and everything. You want to have a closer look?
That's amazing.
So, as I said, regarding going back to work even the day after, there's no problem. Usually it's normal they take a few days off because they need to treat and to spray the hair rather often, about half an hour, this is why. But for a pure medical aspect, if they want, they can go back to work even the day after. Regarding other activities like exercising, about 7 days a week or 10 days after the session, they can return back to their usual sport activities.
So it's all been worthwhile?
Oh, definitely, without a doubt. Without a doubt, I would recommend it to everybody. Absolutely. Well chuffed. I can't wait now for it to see it all grow and to see what it looks like. Very exciting. Really, really worth it, without a doubt. Without a shadow of a doubt. I would recommend it to everybody. So, I'm well chuffed.